Hey there, it's Mindy with Joy Social, and I just wanted to do a quick video tutorial showing you how to use the new quiz sticker on Instagram stories. So I'm going to open up my Instagram app and go over to stories, and I'm just going to I'm going to go to the type function and just say answer the quiz. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the sticker icon, which is just up here. It's the little happy face with the square around it. So I'm going to touch that and I'm going to go to the quiz sticker. And then from here, you can type in your question that you want people to guess, and then you can type in different options for them to vote on. There's also this little dice icon, and you can choose some pre-selected questions that Instagram has made. So there's a celebrity one, happy if I were a musician. Only one of these is true. Guess my favorite show. What would I name a pet turtle? Let's see. I'll just do this one. All right. So, what would I name a pet turtle? Obviously, this is just a silly question. So, let's see. I'll put my name. I'll put my cat's name. And I'll put something silly. Okay, so you can put in different answers, and then you can select the correct answer. So when people answer the quiz, they know it's the correct answer. So you can just tap on the letter to select which one is the one that you want to be the correct answer. So then you hit done, and then you can zoom in and out. You can place your quiz, and then you put it on your story, and then your friends can answer. And I have one already on my stories that I'm going to show you how it looks. So I'm actually going to X out of this, and I'm going to go to my stories. So here's one I set up yesterday, and it said, what makes me happiest, Disneyland, Magic Kingdom, Epcot, or Universal Studios? And if you swipe up, you can see how people answered. So my correct answer was Disneyland, and that's what most people got, but you can actually see how many votes each one got, and you can see who selected each answer, which is kind of fun. I'm actually going to go to one of my different accounts so that you can see what it looks like. So here's my story, and I'm actually going to vote on a wrong answer so you can see what it looks like. See, so it tapped the red. I tapped Epcot and it turned into red, and then it said the correct answer was Disneyland, which is now showing in green. So just kind of a fun new way to interact with your audience. I think this is really, really cute. And I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. In the comments, let me know how you're using the new quiz sticker. I'd love to hear new ideas. So thank you so much for watching. This is Mindy with Joy Social, and I will see you on the next video.